Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos. I just got a new suitcase right here, and it's not opened or anything else, and so I'm going to do a product review. I plan on taking this with me for my next year's worth of travels, and I'm going to hit all of Greece, 12 different cities, and then I'm going to hit Romania and Bulgaria and many places, and then work my way up the coast. And so anyway, I'm going to do a review on this suitcase, and I'll keep you posted at how it's going and problems, or if it's working perfect and those kind of things. Thanks everybody. Bye-bye. All right, here we are everybody. So here is the suitcase in the unboxing. I guess I better pull out a key so I can get into it. It's a solid suitcase, which means that it has a solid backing versus a cloth backing. And it was rated super well, and so I think that's what is important. It's boxed really well. Here's the box. Wow. Cute little bag. Cute. Alright. Here we go. And it's a hard shell case. Oh, and it has built-in locks too. Can you see the locking mechanisms? Which is great. And then here is the inside. Okay. And it looks pretty interesting. What does this do? Okay, I see. So that goes over the top, and you could stick things in there and things in here. Man, I love all the little cubby holes. It's always amazing. Let me pull it over here so you can see what we're dealing with. So it's got these things that go in, and this is how it latches. One of the things I like right off the bat is that on a lot of the suitcases you get these days, they don't have a cover on both sides. And so if you open it upside down, your clothes fall out. And this is nice that this doesn't have that problem, because each side has a cover. So like this side has this cover, and so you can do that. But this side has this cover. And so all your stuff stays attached, no matter if you open it upside down or right side up. It's a little small. The wheels are really nice. They're kind of rubbery, so it's kind of nice, and they're big wheels. Yeah, so far so good. It looks certainly heavy duty enough, and I like these too. Sometimes these get kind of flimsy, but these look like they're pretty stout. So, well, I guess the interesting thing is going to be packing it. So, anyway, this is my initial take on my my bag, my MVST suitcase, and it looks wonderful. And I'm going to pack here in a little while, and once I get started, I will certainly do a video and show you exactly how much I can get packed in here. And I assume these are keys. Those aren't keys. That's not a key either. So there's got to be a key in here somewhere, I think. Anyway, that's it, everybody. Thanks for coming along. And this is my initial take on my my new suitcase, and I will keep you posted on how it all goes when I start to pack it. Thanks, everybody. Bye-bye.